This is exactly how I catch huge moves in the market. So looking at the trend by the left, we will see that there has been an upward trend and the price has been making higher highs and higher lows. However, it got to this point where it peaked and started making lower highs and lower lows. So when it started making lower highs and lower lows, we know that the bulls are no longer in control, as it were. So while the lower lows and lower highs was taking place, we found a support around this area and price started making another higher highs and higher lows, but was unable to take off the previous peak which we experienced while the initial upward trend was going on. So at this point, we got another peak, which is the second peak, and then price has just begun to make new lows. So at this point, there is no certainty what the market is going to do, but we can plan ahead. So what we're going to do, seeing the price peaked initially at this very point, we're observing that we're having a double top with the initial top higher than the later top. So we mark out those two tops and then mark out our neck region in this area where we just found a support. So we'll mark there as our neck region and we will wait patiently to see price break below this neck level, and then we wait for the price to retest the neck level or even move higher above the neck level in retest of the zone. Then we'll begin to look for a short opportunity around there to sell the market. And where will be your target? Now, this is very key. When you're able to find that break and a retest, you shall be looking for short opportunity, and your target will be the distance between this top and the neck region. This is Android, so you can use your crosshair to calculate it. The highest distance at this point, the highest price, which is 1.5109, and then this price is 1.4841. So that is about 260 pips or thereabout, and that will be the exact distance that we are going to be expecting the price to drop to. So that is how you plan your trade. Right now, we can do nothing because we don't actually know what the price is going to do. But we're certain that once there is a break of this neck region and we have a retest, finding a short opportunity there, the price is going to get to that distance, and that is the minimum distance it will go. It can go, or it could go far below that level, but that is the minimum target we're going to have. So waiting for the best opportunity is the best strategy in forex trading. Keep trading safely. Wishing you the best. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.